Hey everyone. Welcome to this quick guide on reinforcement learning. If you're curious about how AI learns by trial and error, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is reinforcement learning, or RL? Unlike traditional machine learning, where an algorithm learns from labeled data, RL is all about an agent learning by interacting with an environment and receiving rewards or penalties for its actions. It's used in self-driving cars, gaming AIs like AlphaGo, and even robotics. At the core of RL, we have three key components: agent, environment, and reward system. The agent makes decisions, the environment provides feedback, and the reward system tells the agent if it made a good or bad decision. The goal? Maximize rewards over time by learning the best strategy. Now let's talk about two major techniques used in RL. First, model-based versus model-free learning. Model-based methods try to predict future rewards. Model-free methods like Q-learning learn from experience without prediction. Second, exploration versus exploitation. Exploration means trying new actions to discover better rewards. Exploitation means sticking to what works best based on past experiences. Now, if you're looking for a powerful framework to experiment with RL, check out BURLAP, the Brown UMBC Reinforcement Learning and Planning Library. It provides customizable environments for testing RL algorithms. It supports grid-world simulations and complex AI planning tasks. Great for beginners looking to code their own RL experiments. Finally, let's touch on Deep Q-Learning. This method uses neural networks to improve standard Q-learning by handling large state spaces like video games and learning better decision-making policies over time. Deep Q-learning is used in modern AI applications like autonomous systems, robotics, and game-playing bots. And that's a quick dive into reinforcement learning. We covered RL basics, core techniques, BURLAP for RL experimentation, and Deep Q-learning for complex decision-making. Want to learn more? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI content. See you in the next one. For more details, log on to www.progNXT.com or email us at training@progNXT.com.